Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, Wyckoff SMI, LearnCrypto.io. We've got another indicator dashboard that we're giving to our subscribers that paid for subscription for our indicators at TradingView. So it's a layout that also has a list. So the layout here is called, top left-hand corner here, Wyckoff Crypto Sectors. We have the same thing for stocks, Wyckoff Stock Sectors. And then we have layouts pre-built. I call this Sectors Crypto. So what it does then here in the list, and again, I've got the list to the right. I've got all these pre-made for everybody. So if you subscribe and want this, I will send you all the links. But here we have Bitcoin, miners, ETFs, our crypto index that we started years ago. And then we've got artificial intelligence, AI, BRC20s. You can see here DPEN, Gamblefy, meme stocks, etc. So in front of us we have the memes. So you can click here the sector you want to bring up, or if you want to compare it to Bitcoin. Now this is the memes. And you can see here that MEME is up 419% from the date of this low. This line, you can move it to wherever you want to give you the return since that date. Then it will compare all the other sectors. It'll show you the Gamblefy is down 14% since that date. DeFi is up 38%. Same thing, we can move back here. Because here's the date we had a new low in the OP. We had the oversold technometer, which gave us the green highlight there that I added myself. And then, so if you look through this, you're like, okay, I think from this date, I like the way meme stocks are acting. They started to outperform, etc. Then you can come up to the layouts. Again, these are all pre-built. I've done all the different sectors. So we go to, in their alphabetical order here, go to the crypto meme. This is going to load the eight meme coins for us automatically, and then give us the OP and tech readings for all the coins. So you can see that auto-populated there. But again, you can look at this and look at the OPs versus price, look for any type of divergences. What we'd like to see here, if we're getting ready to be a buyer, is we want to see technometers down closer to that 38 level. You can see here, nothing is doing that yet. Meme is down at 41.28. But again, a quick way to look at the meme coin holdings to make up the sector and see what maybe deserves your attention right now. So, and again, we can go back now to the layouts. Down here I've got sectors crypto and sector stocks. So again, if we go to sector stocks, that brings up our Wyckoff wave sectors. We'll hide that. And you'll see again, it loads everything up. So we can take the blue line and move that over. Currently we have it set at the previous low. So we can see from the low of October 30th, where's performance been. And again, you can see since the date of the blue vertical line, we're year to date, 3 months, and that also has a technometer. So we had this on the crypto one as well. Technometer for each sector here, so you can easily see, hey, it looks like gambling is getting close to oversold. Should I look into that? So same type of thing over here. It loaded sector stocks, and we can look at any of these. If we want to look at the gambling stocks, we just go up to layouts, load layout, go down to the Wyckoff wave gambling. It's going to load the 8 stocks. 8's the max you can do unless you pay quite a bit of money. So I have most of these set up to have 8, or actually whatever makes up the index that I built. Then you can see here the 8 stocks that make up the gambling sector. got Penn, Win, DraftKings, etc. So you can quickly look through here, see if you see any type of OP, price divergences, technometer. You can add the force. You can add anything you want here, but I don't want to make it too cumbersome. So this is what I built. You can change this to hourly. It'll change them all. You can drag charts. They all move at once, etc. So just a perfect setup. Pretty happy about that. So if you, then I go back to my main, which is a layout I use for basically most of my trading or monitoring. Then I go back here, same type of thing. I make the list main. Then I've got Bitcoin at the top, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, etc. Some of the ETFs I trade, like GLD, XLE, crypto coins that we're monitoring for patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month if you want to get in there. And then the US stocks that I'm monitoring. Gold maybe is something that I'm looking for a trade. Blue shows that I've got Wyckoff labels, etc. So just really organized here at TradingView. Great setup for people. Indicators work perfectly there. So purchase those at wyckoffsmi.com, and they'll be available at learncrypto.io here in a few days. But get the indicators. We'll give you access. Send you all the links to set up all these pages so you're ready to go. All right, that's it. Good luck trading.